Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from Gemini to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving, this method ensures you're using the latest best practices for safety and efficiency. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated. Download and open the Ledger Live app on your computer, connect your device via USB, and install the Dogecoin app on it. This step is crucial to ensure compatibility and security. Always keep your firmware current to protect against potential vulnerabilities. Next, log into your Gemini account. Head over to the Withdraw or Transfer Funds section. It's super user-friendly, but double-check that you're in the right area to avoid any mix-ups. Select Dogecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies available for withdrawal. Now, grab your Ledger Nano X's Dogecoin address. In Ledger Live, open the Dogecoin app on your device, and it will display a unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully. Never type it manually to prevent errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Back on Gemini, paste the address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer, making sure it meets any minimum requirements set by Gemini or the network. Take a moment to review everything: the address, amount, and fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm. Gemini will process your withdrawal request, and the Dogecoin will be sent to your ledger. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Ledger Live app to track the transaction and confirm when the Dogecoin arrives in your wallet. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now safely stored on your Ledger Nano X. This step not only enhances security but also gives you full control over your assets. If you run into any issues, check the official docs or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.